Okay, so I'm going to walk you through what I did and what I learned from this experience. So, I bought these batteries. I'll show you the link. And they're just AA's, 2500 milliamp. Each one is 1.2 volts. But I had the thought that rather than buy one of these for $30, I could buy one of these for $30 and then just charge on my own batteries and swap them in, and I would save some money in the long run. Well, it didn't quite work like I wanted, so let me show you what it does. When I cranked it up, you'll notice that it'll, if you know an Easy Star, it doesn't sound as strong as 10 volts. This should be actually 9.6 volts. So, and when I put it full throttle, it'll die in about 3 seconds. So watch this. Meaning that the speed controller or whatever system in here recognizes that the voltage is below 6 or something. Which is crazy because this is a 9.6 volt pack all in series and it's fully charged, so I was really confused why I was doing that. Well, David got me a voltmeter, or a multimeter, sorry. And when you plug it in, let's see here, it registered it as 10.4 volts, which is, of course, more than my old battery pack, which is, let's see here, 7.9. So it's more, but yet it's not putting out enough power. Well, when I plug it in, let's see if I get this to hold still. Not the easiest thing to do. Okay, watch the volts when I crank it up. So 10.4, 9.2, it drops and drops, all the way down to 6.4. So, in other words, the batteries they're not designed to put out that kind of amps constantly. So the batteries themselves aren't the correct batteries. Okay, so what I did, you zoom in here, is I just jammed 2 wires in this connector. So I want to see, so I can put the multimeter on there. I want to see how many volts this puts out during as it's running the motor. So I'm gonna wrap these around. It's not the most safest thing, but it gets the job done. So right here we're at 7.85 volts, and watch as it cranks up. So it holds it at 6.6. In other words, it went from 7.7 to about 6.6 instead of this battery. There we go.